there, my name is Edlika Jatilai. So I was actually listening to some music just now and a thought came to me. Have you guys ever wondered, how do we hear? To be specific, how does the ear work so that we are able to hear sounds? How do we perceive sounds? And today, I'm going to share that very information to you. I'm going to tell you on how our ears perceive sound. So first of all, we must first understand the sections within the ears. So this here is the sections within the ear. We have the outer ear, middle ear, and the inner ear. So these are the three main sections of the ear. Each of these sections have their own special features that plays a role in how we perceive sound. Now that you know the section within the ear, we can now slowly move on to step by step on how we hear sound. So there are 5 steps on how we can hear sounds. Step number 1, the sound energy is created through vibration. So for example, if I were to clap my hand, a vibration occurred and this vibration created sound energy. This sound energy will travel through my outer ear and reaches my eardrum, which would then move us to step number 2. Step number 2, once this sound energy reaches our eardrum would vibrate. This vibration would turn the sound energy into a mechanical energy. Next, step number 3. In step number 3, the vibration of the eardrum would affect 3 ear bones. These 3 ear bones are called malleus, incus, and stapes. So the malleus is directly attached to the eardrum, and therefore when the eardrum vibrates, the malleus is the first one to move. The movement of the malleus would then trigger the movement of the incus, which would then cause the activation of the stapes. Now we'll move on to step number 4. The activation of stapes would then move the mechanical energy that we have earlier into the inner ear, the innermost part of the ear, where the mechanical energy is now turned into the form of hydraulic energy. And this hydraulic energy is actually formed into an electrical impulse by the hair cell of the cochlear membrane. Lastly, step number 5. In step number 5, the hair cells would activate the auditory nerve, and this auditory nerve would then send a signal to our brain so that our brain can process the sound that we just hear. And this is where we can understand or know what are the sounds that we just heard. That will be the 5 steps on how we perceive sound. I hope through this video, everyone now understands how we perceive sound and also learn to appreciate our gift of hearing, as not everyone is gifted with the gift of hearing. That will be all for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.